Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of February 14th. Boy, I hope you guys got your Valentine's Day taken care of for your women. We're going to look at charts that come from the Trade Navigator software. It makes my life so much easier. And looking at a weekly bond market chart here, bonds had a little pipe up last week that they failed on. I'm not really sure. This looks to be still part of just a kind of a big sideways pattern after moving off the lows. We were kind of thinking this 151 area here where the green line is might mean something. Doesn't appear to be, though. They've broken down. The next level down here is 149.21, which they have not quite gotten to. Doesn't mean they have to. They could hold in here. And of course, this red line here really shouldn't mean anything. I think we're looking at 53.21 or 54 up here. This is the most likely resistance that I thought they would go to. I mean, it's possible 152.16 at this moving average is a target, but they've started down. If they hold, I don't really think that'll still be resistance, but time will tell. They kind of held up amazingly well. Right? I mean, Janet Yellen gave testimony that suggested interest rate rise could occur again as early as March, and it didn't really spook them. They went down, but they didn't plummet, or at least not yet. And our indicator actually looks like the momentum is remaining above its moving average. So, I don't know. I'm kind of interested in seeing if they hold here because they could be higher. Heck, they could go back up above 160 eventually, but that's way in the cards. Stocks are frustrating because they've started up last week and they're just not offering you any opportunity to get on board. They're just ramrodding higher. We were looking for 2303 down here as possible support to buy into. They haven't even been below last week's close so far. And the initial upside target was 2326. They have blown right through that. And it's possible that there's something else that will stop them. There is resistance up here, but I kind of think there's never any resistance at new all-time highs. I mean, there is. You can calculate it. But the only reason you want to know where resistance is if you want to be a pioneer with an arrow in your back. There's just not a lot of future in selling new all-time highs. So, we'll wait for them to back off and see if there's something to do. And here again, you've got a market that got Janet Yellen saying higher interest rates. You had an inflation report from the PPI that looked like a lot of inflation, surprisingly. And that might have killed this market 4 or 5 months ago, and today they rally anyway. That's impressive. That's how a bull market goes. So look for places to buy, and so far this week, we didn't get it. So maybe next week. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to